Hello guys, welcome to my small craft room. I just want to introduce you my Bobo balloon. Yan, isa yan sa akin pinagkakabalahan ngayon. And beside of that, I also make, so makikita nyo, anyway, makikita nyo yung craft room ko is very busy. There's a lot of stuff here. I'll do resin keychain. And also, I make snow globe tumbler. And marami pa rin tayong mga pinamili earlier. This is for the decoration sa Bobo balloon. And also I do crochet. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff na pinagkakaabalahan ko. So ito, ang dami kong stuff here na just thinking kung anong pwedeng gawing design for upcoming Valentine's. So if anyone interested, you can message me. I can customize. This one is order. Ferrero chocolate one too. Beautiful, cute teddy bear. So yeah. And now I'm excited kasi dumating na yung in-order kong Epson Sublimation printer. So mag-unboxing tayo. So bali nakadalawang printer na ako. Yung Epson printer, hindi siya sublimation kaya lagi siyang nagda-dry ng ink. So instead na makatipid ako, napapalit ko lang yung gastos ko. So I decided to buy na talaga yung pang subli na, not the printer na i-convert for sublimation. And this one I bought from Amazon. This is called MakerPro F170 sublimation printer. Epson Sure Color. So this one talagang I'm sure magandang klase na. Kasi the other one na printer ko, the old one, that's the old one printer Epson I use for sublimation, kinonvert ko lang yan for subli. So lagi siyang, pag di mo siya ginagamit all the time, natutuyo yung kanyang ink at mahirap na siyang ayusin. But this one, pang sabli talaga siya. It costs money, but it's worth it. Kasi mahilig akong mag-crafting. I can do t-shirt design. And pwede rin sa mga tumbler. So, magagamit ko talaga siya. Meron na siyang kasama ink. Meron siyang 4 colors. And I'm sure matagal siya magagamit kasi malaki yung kanyang lagayan. I'm excited na mag-create ng new t-shirt designs. I'm looking for a polyester t-shirt kasi mas maganda yung transfer ng sublimation kapag polyester materials ang ginamit. We look earlier sa Hobby Lobby pero wala kami nakita. It's all cotton. Cotton shirt na nga nakita namin doon. Anyway, we'll try this one sa tumbler. Kasi meron akong order na tumbler today. Okay, ito na siya. This is one of my dream talaga na printer. Gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng sublimation printer, and finally, thank God na nakabili na ako. Yeah, I'm excited for my next project. Thank you.